Learning outcome. At the end of the lesson, the learner is able to illustrate different types of valid arguments and fallacies and establish the validity of arguments. Lesson outline. Introduction. Definite argument. Define valid argument. Define fallacies. Define sound argument. An argument is a compound proposition of the form open parentheses proposition are the premises of the argument and Q is the conclusion. Arguments can be written in propositional form as in above or in column or standard form. Example number 1. Explain why the following set of propositions is an argument. If General Antonio Luna is a national hero, then he died at the hands of the Americans in 1899. General Luna is a national hero, therefore General Luna dead at the hands of the Americans in 1899. Example number 2. Write the following argument in propositional form and in standard form. If there is a limited freshwater supply, then we should conserve water. There is a limited freshwater supply, therefore we should conserve water. In the solution of that, the premises of this argument are the proportional sub 1. If there is a limited fresh water supply, then we should conserve water. Proportional sub 2. There is a limited fresh water supply. And the conclusion of that is we should conserve water. So let's proceed to example number 3. Consider the arguments A and A raised to 1 given below. A. Proposition to conclusion. If my alarm sounds, then I will wake up. The proposition of that is my alarm sounded. And the conclusion of that is therefore I woke up. So, ganyan lang yung pagkuha sa A. So, let's proceed to A raised to 1. Proposition to conclusion. If my alarm sounds, then I wake up. The conclusion of that, I woke up. The proposition of that, therefore, my alarm sounded. We can analyze the arguments separately by looking its validity. Definition: an argument is valid if it satisfies the validity condition. Is it logically impossible for the premises to be true and the conclusion false? If your answer is affirmative, we say that argument satisfies the validity condition and hence valid. Solution for arguments A. We ask can propositional to conclusion and the propositional be both true and the Q be false. The highlighted row shows that both P and Q are true if and only if Q is true based on the truth table. It is not possible for P and P to Q to be true and the Q to be false.